Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to change your Podio password. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to change my password? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you've recently had your computer or phone stolen, and you're worried that someone might have access to your account. Or maybe you're just looking to increase your security and make it more difficult for someone to hack into your account. Whatever the reason, changing your password is a good idea. And it's actually pretty easy to do. So, let's get started. How to change your Podio password. Log in to your Podio account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Account Settings. Click on Change Password. Enter your current password. Enter your new password. Confirm your new password. Click Save. That's it. Your new password has been saved. Here are a few additional tips for changing your password. Make sure your password is strong. It should be at least 8 characters long and include a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use the same password for multiple accounts. Change your password regularly. By following these tips, you can help to keep your Podio account safe and secure. So there you have it. How to change your Podio password. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.